Hello and welcome. This tutorial will quickly show you how to access GORS data in Power BI. First, you have to have access to Power BI, and to see if you have, you can go to office.nrc.no, log in with your Okta, and if you can see the Power BI tile, you should have access. Or you could go to app.powerbi.com and you can log in there with your NRC email and Okta. But essentially you need to have access, and you can get that through ICT. Open Power BI, takes you to the app. It will show you your favorited dashboards first. In order to access the GORS data that is published, it can be found under apps. You open apps, and here you can see I can now see GORS Marrow and GORS Wash, which are the apps I published and opened for myself. In order to get these, you have to press the button at the top right, Get Apps. Once you load, you can see what apps NRC has published. And an app is it's a collection of reports or dashboards that someone has worked on together to create and has published for others to see. So I can get this GORS Wash app now, and when I do, I add it to my apps page, and I open it now, and I can see it consists of two things: a dashboard named GL Wash and a report named GORS Online Wash Data Draft. Let's just open the dashboard first. On the dashboard, you can see a collection of graphs, tables, and report pages. The first thing we see here is a report page showing the beneficiary reach in 2017 for Wash. And scrolling down, we can see two other graphs. So I can just open one of these to get to the report. And when viewing reports, you might want to use the full screen mode, which are the two pointy arrows outwards at the top. I'll not do that for this video, but it's nice for presentations and small screens. First thing you see here is that we've opened this report. It has 4 pages, and it has a title and a result statement and a table and a line graph and a bar, 100% bar graph. So let's have a look at this table. It shows the total direct beneficiaries by location, and it says here drill up, drill down. You can drill this table, and it shows us the actuals, the target, and the achieved of target. And it shows us that for each location with totals. So we have Iran, Myanmar here, and then we have Asia, and then we have everything in Wash. And here it shows us the actuals and the targets over time, cumulative for the whole year. And the year is filtered down here for 2017. And core competency is currently on Wash, but we could go to any of these if we wanted to. So let's just see, and these dashboards can change. So this is just an example for how to use the dashboard. Let's just drill up. We can see pointing the up arrows, clicking on that one, it'll take us up one level in the hierarchy. Now we're at the top. The top is Wash, and then we're exposed to 2 buttons. We could either go to the next level to jump to the next level of the hierarchy, so skip Wash and go straight to the regions. Skip regions, go right straight to countries, and from countries go to areas. So we can see we have some areas underneath all the countries, and this is the lowest level we can go. But now we don't know which areas or countries or regions each of these belong to. So let's go all the way to the top and use the expand and drill down instead. So while retaining the hierarchy, we can now drill down to the areas where we see that Southeast area office is inside Myanmar. We can do the same on the longitude here. That doesn't make so much sense currently. If it had more frequent data or several years data, that would. But here we could also drill up the male and female percentage of our beneficiaries up to the regions, or up to NRC total to see the aggregate. So the aggregate is very close to 50-50. But we can jump down again to Asia, Europe, Horn of Africa, Middle East, and down here, and then down to areas. It's the lowest level to see the lowest level of the reported data for this graph. Let's go up again. And here we see that if we do the retain hierarchy, NRC is placed, NRC and then the region is placed in front of all the headings here, which might not be what we want, so we'll use the jump to the next level.